Students at the college have to register their subject online. For the second session of 2022, 30% of the students use cybercafe computer, 40% use their personal computers, and the rest use college laboratory computers to register. It is found that those using cybercafes to register, 55% fail to register, and those who use personal computer, 10% fail to register. Result shows that 95% of the students who use the college computer laboratory register successfully. So just before we draw the probability tree diagram, let's denote our events. So what is our event? Okay, so as you can see here, for the first event, 30% of the students use cybercafe computer. So the first event is, let's denote with C. Okay, so event that student use cybercafe computer. The second event is 40% use their personal computers. So let's denote with P. Event that student use personal computer. The third event is the rest use the college laboratory computers to register. So let's denote with L. Event that students use college laboratory computer. And the final event is it is found that those using cybercafe to register, 55% fail to register, 10% fail to register. Okay, so we have another event, or the final event, which is, let's denote with F. Event that student fail to register. So we have another one. If you can see here, actually results show 95% of the students who use the college computer laboratory register successfully. So it is actually the complement of F. Okay, the complement of F here. So we're not going to denote again. Okay, so if we write down F prime of F bar, it means the complements of F, which is event that student register successfully. Okay, so we're enough with 4 events only. Okay, so now let's answer the first question. Draw a probability tree diagram. Okay, so for the first branch, we're going to have 3 branches. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So the first branch represented with C, P, and L. Okay, so let's read again. Okay, the second sentence. 30% of the student use cybercafe computer. So 30%, let's write down as 0.3. 40% use their personal computer. Okay, so let's denote with 0.4. And the rest, okay, the rest use college laboratory computer. So the total of these 3 branches is 1. So to get the probability for the branch of L is 1 minus 0.3 minus 0.4, which is 0.3. Okay, So for the next branch, okay, it is found that those using cyber cafes to register, 55% failed to register. Okay, using cyber cafe computer failed to register is 55% or 0.55. Okay, so this is F. Okay, so for the branch, okay, for the next branch, so if this is the event that student failed to register, to complete this branch we're going to write the complement of F. Okay, so the complement of F, you may use you may use F prime or F bar. Okay, so the total of these two branch is 1, so 1 minus 0.55 is 0.45. So for P here, okay, those who use personal computer, 10% fail to register. Okay, so this one, using personal computer, fail to register is 0.1, and to complete this branch, so 1 minus 0.1 is 0.9, and for the last one, result shows that 95% of the students who used the college computer laboratory register successfully. Okay, so for this one, register successfully, which is represents F prime, the probability is 0.95. Okay, so to complete this branch, so 1 minus 0.95 is 0.05. So this is the tree diagrams. Now let us write the outcome. So we can write down as CF, okay, CF, or you may also write down as C intersect with F. It was the same thing. Okay, so C intersect with complement of F, P intersect with F, P intersect with complement of F, L intersect with F, and L intersect with complement of F. So next is to find the probability. So to find the probability, we're going to multiply along the branches. So 0.3 times 0.55, we're going to get 0.165. 0.3 times 0.45 is 0.135. 0.4 times with 0.1, we're going to get 0.04. 0.4 times with 0.9, we're going to get 0.36. 0.3 times 0.05 is 0.15. 0.3 times 0.95, 0.3 times 0.95 is 0.285. Now let us find the total of all the probabilities. 0.165 plus 0.135 plus 0.04 plus 0.36 plus 0.15 plus 0.285. Whoopsie, I think I make a mistake here. What is my mistake, by the way? 0.3 times with 0.05. Oh yes, here, this is my mistake. 0.015 actually. Okay, so this is how we check whether our multiplication of probability of each branch is correct or not. Okay, Now let's find the total now. Yeah, I got it. The total 1. Okay. So now my tree diagram is completed. Okay. So let's go for the next question, B. Obtain the probability that student fails to register and use cybercafe computer or personal computer. Okay, so the keyword here, fails to register, use cybercafe or personal computer. Okay, so we may write down as probability using cybercafe computer but fail to register plus the probability using personal computer but fail to register. Okay, so where is our probability? This one, 0.165 and 0.04. Okay, so we're going to use plus for the word or just now. Okay, so let's find the total of these two probability. 0.165 plus 0.04, which is 0.205, or you may write down as 41 over 200. Okay. Zero 0.165 plus 0.04, you may write down as 41 over 200, or you may write down in decimals if you want. Just make sure that it is terminated decimals. Okay, so for this question C, okay, what is the question C? Given, okay, that's the word given here. So this is a keyword for conditional probability. Given that a student fails to register, what is the probability that the student use the personal computer to register? Okay, so probability given fail to register. So what is the probability using what again? Personal computer. Okay, using personal computer. All right. So now let us find the probability. So using the conditional probability of P intercept F divide with probability of F. Okay, so what is probability of P intercept with F? Okay, so probability of P intercept with F is 0.04. Okay, 0.04. 0.04 divide with, okay, so we already find the C intercept F, P intercept F, so we need to add one more, which is 0.205 plus with probability of L intercept F, okay, to complete it to find the probability of F. Okay, so what is probability of L intercept F? Okay, so probability of L intercept F is oopsie. Okay, L intercept F is 0.015. 0.015. Okay, so what we're going to get is 0.205 plus 0.015. Okay, 0.22. So 0.04 divided with 0.22 is 2 over 11. Okay, so the last question, given. Okay, so there's another word given, so another conditional probability. Given that the student registers successfully what is the probability that the student use cyber cafe computer to register? Okay, so what we're going to do to find it for the question D is, so we're given that student registered successfully. Okay, what is the probability that the student use, cyber cafe computer. Okay, cyber cafe computer to register successfully. All right, so what we're going to do is using the conditional probability, so probability of C intersect with complements of F, register successfully, divide with probability of complements of F. Okay, so what is C intersect complement of F? C intersect complement of F is 0.135. Okay, 0.135. So 0.135 divide with the complement of F. So where is complements of F? So these two here, okay, is probability of F, okay, or this one, right? Okay, so probability of F is 0.22, so the complement of F is 1 minus 0.22. Okay, so what we're going to get is 135 divide with 1 minus 0.22, which is 9/52. Okay, so that's it for question 2.